In the previous video, I built this minion Flakpanzer 1. Today, I'm going to build a quick urban diorama for it. Let's have a brief review of the commercial diorama kit from Yufang. It's yet a well-known brand, and it focuses mainly on scale model resin stuff. The kit contains a brick 3 base, which is not perfect, but it's okay. When I express okay, I mean it's not unacceptable, score 6 out of 10. The two brick walls are nice with their sufficient details and lovely texture. Several storage are offered. You can see there are lovely textures of wooden boxes and canvas. Pulling them together, frankly speaking, I can't really recognize the structures of the street and houses it presents. I am a bit confused about whether the area is an open street or it's an indoor room. But still, I would say it's okay. It's friendly to the initiator and it's in good quality. If you didn't have any idea how to proceed, to paint it all black is always an option. To get yourself back to zero and depart again. The black removes everything, hides everything, and backs everything. I would like to have a conventional green brick street here. I can't tell you exactly which color I was applying here, because I add too many colors on my panel. Every time I put my brush back on the panel, I do a little more mixture, so that the color changes slightly from time to time. I'm happy with the base coat of my wall. I think the street bricks are too dark, so I brush them with a lighter color. Then dry brush it, make it look more dusted and scratch it. I use this Vallejo white stone liner to fill the gaps. I screwed up, you will see. Maybe I didn't use it in the best way. The liner will become really solid and hard to remove within, let's say, 30 seconds. I tried both water and X20 and I tried too hard, even breaking the base coat. It's time for me to present to you what's on the panel for my bricks. I will have to fix the base coat. We need more broken bricks on the street. Smash and place them with PVA glue. Since I don't know the Vallejo liner well enough, it's a good idea to do the lining with diluted enamel paint. It's almost finished. I put my Flakpanzer one in place. I decided to apply a pigment wash just in one corner instead of leaving it everywhere. More shells should be on the ground. Come on, it's a machine cannon. Voila, that's it. The kit is okay, the diorama I built is okay. I'm still an initiator in terms of diorama building. I'm happy to get myself on track. Hopefully, I will have enough techniques and skills to fulfill my idea in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, forward or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.